Hi guys, so there is a new update release for the Polestar 2, P5.0.10, if you can see. So I don't know exactly if this is a really dramatic big upgrade, because I read the logs and I see that it's the new Android version 13 instead of 12 that is now installed. I see a lot of under the hood improvements like the Bluetooth connection, improvements for Apple CarPlay. There are some bug fixes for the newer models, so that's not really necessary for my model. I have the 2022 model, but it's a 23 refresh one, so with heat pump and all. And I also upgraded to the Qualcomm processor. I don't know if this is also the case for my model, but I will see. So I will go downstairs and do the upgrade. So what way you see bug fixes for all Polestar 2 villages. So this is for all models. Rear view camera. So this is almost standard. So every time there's an update, always update for rear view camera. I don't know what they are patching or what they're updating, but I hope some folks, they have problem with the rear view camera. I don't have it. My car just behaves normally with always with the cam. So when it was on the Intel Atom version, it was slow to start, but now on the Qualcomm it's instantly, so I don't see any problems there. But let's see. I hope it doesn't break something. Also, bug fix range assistant. So this one is maybe really huge, because the range assistant is not always that correct with estimating the range. So I am really pleased to see this one. And I'm also really curious if it makes the estimations better. Oh, this is really bad. So all historic consumption data will be cleared once this software has been installed. Okay, maybe it's necessary then. So let's see. So I also asked, so how can ChatGPT, so what's the difference between Android Automotive 13 and 12? Because when I Googled it, I couldn't find some clear answers. So let's see if Chat is right. But Chat says, so the summary is that it is mostly under the hood update. So I don't expect dramatic new visuals or something, but the apps, the behavior of the system, it is improved, they say, with Android OS 13, Automotive OS 13. So that's also a good thing, right? Because we have the cars, they're on the road, and if it's constantly updating, it's also bringing more pleasure, more functions to the car. So I'm always the first one that wants to update and upgrade. So let's see. So I will be upgrading and I will report back if I see something different. Thank you. Let's see, where's the... So you see, car booted right up. So here, you see it's ready for updating. Let's install. Let's install. Yes. So it takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes. I think this is a little bit too long, but you never know. And it needs a minimal 40%. And I have that, so that's nice. So I am really curious what it's gonna do, because Android Auto OS 13, let's see. So guys, I also get a lot of questions about the cable anchor. You can see it here. So you see it in function. So it really cleans up the boot. But you don't need any screws or something to put this in. It clips. Can you see it? Oh no, you can. But it clips on. Maybe I can turn on the flash. So I turned on the flash. maybe you can see it. You clip it on right on this flip here. So no screws or any other difficult technical things necessary. Just clicked in, like the umbrella holders. So this cable anchor, it really makes it organized. You can check it out. I'm still running a 20% sale on this one. A fun detail, I get a notification on my Apple Watch that is installing the software update now. So let's see. So the car finished updating. So update is... what is this? Onbekend. Oh, it's something with pairing with my phone. So this is also necessary, I see. So the visuals are the same. Still fast. Are the apps on different? It's like, I think it's a little bit faster after the update. Oh, it definitely is faster. So does the cam work? Definitely works. Let's see Google Maps. Okay, I think it's a great improvement, guys. So if you are interested in the accessories I use in my car, so like this charger, some 3D printed parts, also this dash cam, check out my my latest video about accessories. Thank you.